Welcome to E99 Store. Today, we're thrilled to introduce one of the most powerful and consistent trading robots available breakfast in Canada. The breakfast in Canada is optimized to trade the major pair Euro-US dollar. On the H1 timeframe. To start using it, you'll need a minimum deposit of $150 in your MT4 account, making it accessible for both small and large traders. The standard market price of breakfast in Canada is $778. But at E99 Store, you can grab it for just $25. Here is how it performed in the live trade. (221% total growth in live results. (78% of trades closed in profit, showing accuracy and stability. Now we will run in at MT4. If you want to automate your strategy with a trusted AI, reduce emotional decision-making, and start trading smarter, head over to our website and get breakfast in Canada today, only at E99 Store.